Hello YouTube, I think this is the 9th video of Kia doing tricks. Oh, you weren't supposed to sit. I was going to do that trick. Okay, Kia. Well, first we're going to start with stay, like we always do. When she's already sitting. Okay. Tricks means treats, okay. Use dog food. It's right. Stay. Stay for 10 seconds. Probably been 10 seconds now. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. You stayed. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Good girl. You sat. Leave it. Leave it. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Up, up, Kia up, Kia up, 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 Kia up, Kia up, all the way, Kia. No, all the way, Kia. Kia, all the way. Up, all the way. Kia, you sneezed on my leg. Okay, that's good. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Lie down, Kia. Kia, lay down. Lie down, Down. Good girl. Leave it. Good girl. Good girl. Get up, get up. Good girl. Let's try it again. Sit. Lie down, Kia. Lay down, Kia. Lay down. Good girl. Get up. Kia, get up. Good girl. You did that without me holding a treat in my hand. You know, get up. Kia, up. Kia, up. Kia, up. Good girl. Let's try this. Shake. No, don't get the treat. Let's try some tricks she doesn't know. Back up, Kia. No, back up. Back. No, back up. Back. Kia, back. No. Up, Kia, up. Kia, up. Good girl, no. Good girl. Kia, up. Up, Kia, up. Kia, up. Pause up. Hands up, Kia. Kia, up. Kia, up. Kia, up. Kia, up. Sorry, Kia, you don't get a treat. How about up. Good girl. Let's end with sit. Good girl. Leave it. Okay. Good girl. Shake. Nope. Don't eat the iPod. Okay, well, bye YouTube. I will make more videos soon. This is my 191th video. I'll make a special for my 200th video, which I need 9 more videos. Okay, well, bye YouTube.